Good morning, children. I hope you are all fine. Okay. Last week we have seen the number system. I think you are already very well known about the number system, about the number names of Indian and international system. Is it? Okay. Have you all done your worksheet? Good. I'll give the worksheet answers in this week worksheet along with this week worksheet. Okay. So you verify your answers. Now, today we are going to see about the next level of the numbers. What is that? Operations. What are the operations you have know? That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. The basic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These operations already you know to do the operations with the numbers and also with the application. That means word problems. Last year 4th standard and 5th standard everywhere you have learned these operations, using operations problems. Now we have to recall the application of these operations. That means word problems, statement problems in the operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. In the exercise 1.2, the next exercise 1.2, the problems, word problems is given based on these operations. Now today, this class, we are going to see only two operations: addition and subtraction. Okay. Now in a word problem, what are the things, steps we have to, what are the steps we have to follow, what are the things we have to follow? It's the main thing. First, read the question very properly. Read the question slowly and properly. Once or twice you have to read. That is reading skill. Next, understand. Understand the question. If you read the question twice or thrice, automatically you can understand the question. So the second one is understanding skill. First you have to read, then understand the question. After that, you have to identify what operations you are going to do for that problem. Okay, so you clearly you understand the question, these words. After that, you can identify what are which operation you are going to do. So whether it is addition or subtraction or multiplication, division, you have to identify. Then next one, how to apply. Application. How to apply the operation and the numbers in the operation you have to solve and get the result. Okay, so in word problem you have to know the four things, the four steps. That is reading, then understanding, next identify, next apply. After that automatically get the result. Okay, let's see this. Okay, take your book, page number 16, exercise 1.2. See the question. See the first question. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school. The number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day was respectively 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. Here, this question, do you understand? So in this question, they given a book exhibition. In this book exhibition is held in a school. There are 4 days. In that 4 days, how many tickets are sold? They given in the question, in each day, number of tickets sold in each day. The first day, second day, third day and the final day. That means the 4th day was given. Now we have to find the total number of tickets sold in the 4 days. So total number of tickets, the word total means addition. So Here in this problem, we have to do the operation addition. So for that, what are the steps? So from this question, there are 4 numbers are given. So the 4 numbers are, what are they? Number of tickets sold in each day. So we have to write number of tickets sold in first day, number of tickets sold in second day, number of tickets sold in third day, number of tickets sold in fourth day. So you have to write everything. Then total number of tickets sold in the 4 days. Add. Clear? Let's do. Number, NO dot number. Number of tickets sold in first day. How much in first day? 1094. 1094. Number of tickets sold in second day. Second day, how much? 1812. Next, number of tickets sold in third day. How much? 2050. 2050. Next, number of tickets sold in the final day, fourth day. How much? 2751. So total number of tickets, sold. Total number of tickets. We have to add all the numbers. 1094 plus 1812 plus 2050 plus 2751. You can write plus, then you can add. Or addition we know already. So we write in the column wise directly. So we can add this way also. Okay. While adding, add all the numbers in. See that all the place values. According to the place values I wrote. Ones, all the ones, the columns are properly. Then tens place. Next, hundreds place. Then thousands place. Now with this, add this. 1 plus 0, 1. Plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. Next, 10, 10, 20. Balance 2. 10, how much? 17. Balance 1. 2, 3, 5, 7. So 7,707 tickets were sold in all the 4 days. That means total number of tickets sold. Understand? Write down the question number properly. Exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. First question and write the answers. Okay? Write down. Now the second question. See the question. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in a test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? Once again. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6,980 runs in test matches. He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So here, this is the situation is cricket player. Here the Shekhar is cricket player. He scored till now. So far he scored runs is 6,980. But he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. He wanted to complete 10,000 runs, but he scored only 6,980 runs. Now they asked how many more runs does he need. That means how many more runs does he need to complete his wish. Okay, so we want to score 10,000 runs. How many runs more he need to score? Okay, that what operation you have to do here? That means how many more runs he need. From 10,000, he wishes to get 10,000, but he scored only 6,000 something. So how many more runs he need? That means subtraction. We need to do the operation subtraction. Okay, so what are the steps? What are the numbers are given? Two numbers, that is 10,000 and 6,980. So for that, what is the step? 10,000 means the Shekhar wishes to complete runs. Shekhar wishes to complete runs. He wishes how many runs he wishes to take. So that we have to write first. So runs he wishes to complete. The first step, runs he wishes to complete, or runs that means Shekhar wants to score. He wants to score, or he wishes to score, or wishes to complete. So we can write the step, runs Shekhar wants to score is 10,000. Second, next number is runs scored so far. Runs scored so far is 6,980. So how many runs more he need? That what step we have to write? More runs required. More runs required. Operation is subtraction. Okay, let's write. Okay, here there are two numbers. Shekhar wants to complete 10,000 runs. He wishes to complete 10,000, but he scored so far 6,980 runs. So here in this problem we have to subtract. The operation is subtraction. So for our subtraction we need to write the biggest number first. Okay. So for now we can write the steps also from bigger number, smaller number, then subtract directly. Otherwise we can write in a horizontal way, then arrange in a column wise, then we can subtract. Here we write in proper way, by biggest number then smallest number. So for that, what is the step for the biggest number? That is, biggest number is 10,000. What is the step? Runs he wishes to complete, isn't it? That is the step, no? He wishes to complete 10,000 runs. So for that the step is runs he wishes to complete, or runs he means the Shekhar. So runs Shekhar wants to or wishes to score. Okay, so we'll write runs Shekhar wants to score in how much? 10,000. Next step, runs so far he got runs. So runs scored so far. Runs scored so far is equal to 6,980. We need to write the column wise according to the place value. This is 10,000. Here the question is 6,000. So under thousands place, hundreds place, tens place, ones place. Now we have to subtract the answer. How many more runs he needed? How many more runs does he need? So more runs he need, or more runs required. Required means need. More runs required. What to do? Subtract. For subtraction, subtract the digits. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 8, 0 is smaller than 8, we cannot subtract. So we have to borrow from the neighbor number, that is before, previous number, previous digit. So we have to go. But in previous digit also there is no number. So you go to the next digit. Here also no number. Go to next. So from here you have to borrow. When you borrow it becomes 0. Now this one is 10. From here to here you have to borrow. This becomes 9. It becomes 10. Now from here it becomes 9. This one 10. This only we know. This already we have done. So for this digit 10 minus 8 2. Next 9. 9 minus 9 0. Next 9 minus 6 3. Okay. 3090. Hence the Shekhar needs to complete his wish. Understand? Write down. Next, third question. See the question? I'll read now. In an election, the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? This is in election. There are two competitors, two candidates compete in an election. Here, the successful candidate, the winner, the successful candidate registered, got votes is 5,77,500 and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. That is, who is that? Nearest rival. Rival means the another competitor for his opposite. இவருடைய ஆப்போசிட்டாவே நின்றுருக்காரு இல்லையா அவர். அவங்க தான் நியரஸ்ட். அவர் பக்கமாக அவருக்கு நியரஸ்டாக அவர் வாங்கியிருக்க ஓட்ஸ். அடுத்த இப்போ இவர் வின்னர்னா இவருக்கு அடுத்த பிளேஸில் இருக்கிற கூடிய காம்படிட்டர், தட் இஸ் கேண்டிடேட். ஓகே. ஸோ ஹீ got 3,48,700 votes. Now, by what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So, the successful candidate, winner, how much, what is the margin he got? Abdina, how much more votes he got it? Okay, how many more votes the winner got? So, what we have to do? Here also, subtraction. Clear? Okay, let's see the steps. See, what is the step? Here the winner, the successful candidate got 5,77,500 votes. So, here we can write the successful candidate registered or secured. The second one, the nearest rival secured. So we can write the successful candidate secured votes. The successful candidate secured votes or votes secured by the successful candidate. Okay, write the step. Votes secured. Successful candidate. How much votes? 5,77,500 votes. The next competitor, that is rival. Votes secured by rival. Rival means the next candidate. இவர் வின்னருக்கும் அடுத்த பிளேஸ்ல இருக்கிறாங்க. ஓகே, இப்போ இவரை விட எவ்வளவு வாங்கி அவர் வின் ஆனாரு. That is the margin. Okay, so this is 3,48,700. 3,48,700. Here, what margin did he secure? Successful candidate. What margin did the successful candidate win the election? So, what margin? How many more votes he got? So, margin. Margin votes are margin. By what margin? So, margin equal to, we have to subtract. Subtract this 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 7, borrow. Borrow from the nearest number, previous digit, 6. It becomes 15. 15 minus 7, 8. Next is 6 minus 8, we can't borrow. Here 6, it is 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. 5 minus 3, 2. So, 2,28,800 votes is the margin of number of votes the successful candidate secured to win. Understand? Write down properly, write the numbers in the column wise correctly and then subtract properly. Okay, write down this. Next, fourth question. See the book. See the question. Kirti bookstores sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? In which week was the sale greater and by how much? So here, the Kirti bookstore sold books worth the cost, the value of books sold in the bookstore in the first week is 2,85,891, and the cost, the value of books is sold in the second week is 4,07,768. These two things is given. The value of books is sold in 2 weeks of June in a bookstore is given. Next, what is they asking? How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? Together, what is the sale of the bookstore? So that means together. What is the sale of 2 weeks together? So the word together shows addition. So we have to add. And one more question also they asked. In which week was the sale greater and by how much? In which week sale is greater? So which week is greater? We have to compare. Here combined operations. There are three questions are there. We have to compare these two sale in 2 weeks and which one is greater, and also by how much. By how much, that means we have to subtract these two from the highest sale to the lowest scale. We have to subtract. Understand? Okay. See that? Question 4. In this bookstore, first question from the given thing. The first question, 2 questions are there. First question is addition, the total sale of the 2 weeks. So, sale of the first week. Space is not enough. There are three questions is given. So, we write here. Sale of first week. First week, what is the sale? Rupees. Now we write this, the symbol rupees. 2,85,891. Next, sale of second week. rupees 4 lakh 768. Here total sale. Total sale in the 2 weeks. So we write total sale is enough. Total sale we need to add. So 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. Balance 1. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7, 16. Balance 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. 8 plus 0, 8. 2 plus 4, 6. So total sale of the 2 weeks in this book stall is 6,86,659. Now the second question, second option is given, which is the in which week? What is that? In which week was the sale greater? So which week we have to compare? So first week 2,85,891. Second week 4,768. So compare these two. Which one is bigger? This one is bigger. So we know the first week, the sale of first week is greater. The sale of first week is greater. Next, in that extra, and by how much? So what to do? We have to subtract. Which one? From first week to second week. First week is greater. 2,85,000, 4 lakh. Which one is greater? This is 2 lakh. This is 4 lakh. So second week is greater. Sorry. 2,85,891. Here 4,700,000. So second week is greater. So that the sale of second week is greater. Now by how much? We have to subtract from the greater to smaller. Sale of second week equal to 4,768. Sale of first week, how much? 2,85,891. We have to subtract by how much? Okay, so for that we need to subtract this. 8 minus 1, 7. 6 minus 9, we can't. So borrow. This is 16. This becomes 6. 16 minus 9, 7. 6 minus 8, we can't. Borrow. Here there is no number. So borrow from the neighbor. It is also no number. Go to this digit. So it becomes 3. It becomes 10. And 10 becomes 9. The next digit becomes 10. Now it is 9, 16. 16 minus 8, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 minus 2, 1. So, 1,14,877 rupees is we got more in the second week. Okay? Understand? So here there are 3 questions. The sale of 2 weeks is given. Together, what is the total sale of the 2 weeks? So we add. Next, in which week they get greater sale? So that we have to compare these two. The second week is the greater amount. So the sale of second week is greater. Then by how much they greater? So we have to subtract. Understand? Write down this question neatly. Okay, next fifth question. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. Find the difference between the greatest and the least number that can be written using the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. That is, here they are given the numbers, the digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. They given these 3 digits, these 5 digits. We have to find the difference between the greatest and the least number can be written using these digits. First we have to write the greatest number using the digits. These digits are using only once. So first, greatest number. So they ask the difference between the two numbers. So first we have to write for difference. Difference means subtract. For subtraction, write the first bigger number. So write the greatest number. Greatest number using these digits. Using the digits, how many digits are? 5 digits. So greatest 5-digit number using these digits. So how do you write greatest number? We arrange these digits in descending order, biggest to small. So which is the biggest number? 7, next 6, next 4, 3, then 2. So what is that? Ones, tens, hundreds, comma, 1000, 10,000. So the greatest number using this digit is 76,432. Likewise, write the smallest number. Smallest number, write in the ascending order from smallest to biggest. Here smallest number is 2. Next 3. Next 4. Next 6. Then 7. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000. The greatest number using the digits, smallest number using the digits. Find the difference between them. Difference. Difference means subtraction. Subtract. 2 minus 7. We can't. So borrow. When you borrow here, it becomes 2. This becomes 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Next. 2 minus 6. Can you subtract? So also 2 is smaller than 6. So borrow from the neighbor. So 3, it becomes 12. 12 minus 6, 6. 3 minus 4, we can't. So here also borrow. 5, 13. 13 minus 4, 9. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 2, 5. Okay. So the difference between the two numbers are 52,965. Okay. Understand? Write down.
Bye. Thank you.